This is a taillight assembly from a BMW, and the way this works is the light bulbs go in these sockets or these receptacles, and then these go into the taillight assembly, and connection is made through these metal contact points. And the problem with this assembly is one of the contact points is shorted out and is just gone. It's supposed to look like this. Here's an example of what it looked like before. And so now that that piece of metal is missing, it can't make the connection and the brake light isn't working. So what I did was I took a piece of metal from a picture hanging hook that's about the same size and cut it so that it would be the right shape. Now I'm just going to solder it into place. Take a little bit of flux. This is just soldering flux. And I need to get it in just the right place before I start soldering. I'm using this metal piece was sticking too far into this hole and was preventing the socket from going in all the way, so I cut back the underlying metal. Okay, I'm just setting this in place here, and then I'm going to solder it. It's a silver solder. Silver solder works pretty well with just about anything. In other words, it adheres to lots of different kinds of metals. Trying to heat everything up here. Okay. I put some solder on top of the piece to help it conduct heat better. Now I'm putting the solder between the two metal pieces. You have to heat up both pieces enough so that the solder melts to both sides. Okay, went in just fine. And so I'm just gonna put it back in the car. So we'll just try hitting the brakes out here and hopefully the lights come on.